Hi guys, welcome to yet another video from Gizbot. Today in this video, let us unbox the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G smartphone powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor. The smartphone offers up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. As you can see, this is the Indian retail package of the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G smartphone, and the smartphone offers some of the prominent features which are not usually seen on this price range, such as 120Hz AMOLED display, 67 watts of fast charging, and there is also an 108 megapixel primary camera on the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G smartphone. In the retail package, you get a lot of accessories such as a soft silicone case, and then there is also a SIM ejector tool, and you also get a warranty leaflet and the information guide. So the very next thing that has been included in the retail package of the smartphone is the device itself. Today we have the Phantom white color variant of the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G smartphone, and this device is also available in Mirage Blue and Stealth Black color. Again, all three models of the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G uses a glass back and a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 front, and the frame of the smartphone is made using plastic. At the front, on the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G smartphone, you have a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a dot notch design, and it offers up to 120Hz of refresh rate and 360Hz of touch sampling rate. As I have mentioned before, the smartphone has a dual stereo speaker, a headphone jack, and there is also an USB Type-C port with support for fast charging and data syncing. At the back, you have a triple camera setup on the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G smartphone, which includes a 108 megapixel primary camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and then there is a 2 megapixel macro lens. Again, the smartphone offers up to 1080p video recording, and at the front, there is a 16 megapixel selfie camera. The smartphone has a 5000 mAh battery which supports for 67 watts of fast charging via the USB Type-C port. Now, let us look at the actual smartphone itself. As you can see, you can use the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G smartphone with the case that has been included in the box. As this is a transparent or the translucent case, it will not hide the color of the actual smartphone. The Phantom white variant that we have looks pretty premium when compared to the other variants, and the black colored camera bump also highlighted especially in this variant. The camera bump is pretty huge on the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G smartphone with a 108 megapixel primary camera, 8MP ultra wide angle camera, and a 2 megapixel macro lens. At the front, the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G comes with a pre-installed screen protector, which I will be removing as it seems to be a fingerprint magnet. As this is a Corning Gorilla 5 protected smartphone, it should offer some sort of protection against scratches and damages even without the screen protector. At the front, we have a beautiful 6.67-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. I have actually set up the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G smartphone, so this is how the whole UI looks, and it comes with Google Dialer and Google Messaging app as a default dialer and messaging app. As you can see, there is not a lot of bloatware on the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G smartphone, especially when compared to something like the smartphone that we get from Vivo, Oppo and Realme. And this smartphone is running on MIUI 13, which is based on Android 11 operating system. Out of 128GB of storage, around 30GB is consumed by the operating system itself. As you can see, it is also running on the latest security patches. Although it is running on the older version of Android, the company has said that the device will soon receive Android 12 update. There is two different modes you can set it up. There is a light mode and dark mode. As this is an AMOLED display, you will get a much better user experience when you set it up to dark mode, and it will also help you to conserve battery. There is also auto brightness feature, and you can set between various features to improve your overall user experience, and you can also select the exact amount of refresh rate that you want. If you select the 60Hz refresh rate on the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G smartphone, it will offer better battery life. If you select a 120Hz refresh rate, you will get much smoother gaming experience and much smoother UI elements. As you can see, there is also an option for launcher in the built-in MIUI 13, which is also a good thing. And the smartphone does not include a lot of third-party apps, although it comes with some third-party apps, and most of them can be easily installed with just a click of a button. The flat frame is also one of the interesting features of this smartphone, which reminiscent of the iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 series of smartphones. Now let us remove the SIM tray and see what are the things that have been offered on the SIM tray. As I have mentioned before, this is a hybrid SIM tray which will accept 2 nano SIM cards or a single nano SIM card and a micro SD card slot. So If you want to use 2 SIM card slots, you won't be able to expand the storage on the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G smartphone. There is also a dedicated 3.5mm headphone jack, and the smartphone also has a stereo speaker setup where one speaker is on the bottom and one speaker is on the top, which will help you to offer a 2 stereo sound experience on this Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In terms of design, the volume and power button are on the right side, and the power button also doubles as a fingerprint sensor. Although this has an AMOLED display, it doesn't have an in-display fingerprint sensor, unlike some of the smartphones of this price range. Overall, in terms of design, the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G definitely looks more premium when compared to other smartphones, as this has a glass back and a glass front. It also offers a sort of a premium feel when you hold it in hand. The phantom white color with the black camera module looks pretty unique and interesting, and which makes it one of the best looking smartphones under 25,000 in India. For more amazing videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification anytime we upload a new video. This is Vivek signing off.